Are you an amateur radio operator who wants to change your call sign to a vanity call sign? We will explain step by step of this process, and we will talk about the following. Understand the structure of a call sign as per FCC. Vanity call sign rules. Application and process. Important tips. Summary. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, in the United States regulates the use of call signs for amateur radio operators. Call signs are unique combinations of letters and numbers that identify a particular operator's radio station. The structure of a call sign is comprised of one or two letters that indicate the geographical region of the United States where the operator is located, followed by a number from 0 to 9, and then 2 or 3 letters chosen by the FCC. For general and technician class options on regions 1 to 10, continental US, the prefix will be limited to letters K, N, or W or one additional letter. Optional. For the region, choose any number 1 to 10 when 10 equals 0. And lastly, for the suffix, any 3 letters combination is required with few exemptions. General and technician class for regions 11 to 13. Suffix. Number 11 Alaska, letters KL, NL, WL. Number 12 Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands, letters NP or WP. Number 13 Hawaii, American Samoa, BRAM, letters KH, NH, WH. Prefix. 2 letters required. Options for extra class regions 1 to 10. 2 by 1 call sign. Prefix. Letters A, K, N, or W plus 1 letter. Region. Any number 1 to 10, if 10 equals 0. Suffix. 1 letter required. How to apply for your vanity call sign. All FCC links on the description below. Log in on the FCC License Manager site using your FCC registration number and password. Click on Request Vanity Call Sign. Answer no, if you are not exempt from payment. Then click Continue. Click on Primary Station Preference List. Then Continue. Write as many call signs as you want. Be sure to research and confirm the chosen are within your class and they are not in use. Then click Continue. Tip. This is an important site to look up for the availability of your desired call signs and the status of your application. Link on the description below. Respond yes or not to the basic qualification question. Then continue. Proceed for payment. Once done, click Continue. Certify your answers and write Operator Owner as your title if that is the case. Click Submit and you are done. Congratulations! Wait 3 weeks for the results by email.